Okay, here's your quick free tour. Sap goes up into the bucket on the right with a float valve coming from outside. Goes down into here. You got an RO, takes out 60 to 70% of the water. Gets pumped back up into the upper tank here. Falls down the tube line here. Goes into the back of the evaporator. Got about 40 foot of copper pipe in here. Preheats the sap. Comes around into here. Got a float valve. Goes into the back pan. Once it works its way through the back pan, it comes up into the front pan, works its way through the channels, gets to the end, and when that dial gets to 7, that means we are 7 degrees above the boiling point of water. Open the valve, and voila, we have syrup.